The greedy dragon in the magic cupcakes in the heart of the sugar-sweet kingdom of sweeteners stood the castle of 1,000 candies, home to Draco, a young dragon with an insatiable sweet tooth. Each morning, he devoured 11 rainbow jelly beans for breakfast, gurgled with delight over fruit tarts at lunch, and fell asleep dreaming of pink cotton candy clouds. But despite his bottomless appetite, Draco felt a pang of sadness. He longed to invent the ultimate treat that would fill every heart in the realm with bliss. One full moon night, while leafing through an ancient pastry grimoire, Draco stumbled upon a faded legend, the recipe for magic cupcakes, each bite granting a heartfelt wish. Determined, he vowed to bake them at all costs. The mysterious recipe required 6 rare ingredients: stardust flour, cloud honey, volcano vanilla, fairy flour, hummingbird egg, and a pinch of rainbow. Sadly, these treasures lay scattered across Sweetener's farthest corners. Draco mounted his candy floss broomstick and set off on his sugary quest. Stardust flour atop Glitter Peak Mountain, from Lady Asteria, the ancient owl astronomer. Cloud honey in the floating Nimbus Gardens, tended by sapphire blue bees. Volcano vanilla deep within Ember Cavern, guarded by Spring Lizard the elastic lizard. Fairy flower gifted by the singing sprites of the whispering woods in exchange for a lullaby. Hummingbird egg laid each dawn by Zephyr, the hummingbird king, on Windward Isle. Pinch of rainbow captured in a single raindrop beneath the chromatic bridge. Along the way, Draco learned patience waiting for the perfect raindrop, curiosity asking the bees about their hive, respect singing for the sprites, and perseverance scaling Ember Cavern despite the heat. Back at the castle, Draco mixed his magical ingredients, wielded a sugar candy whisk, and fired up his rock oven. In a swirl of fragrant steam, 6 golden cupcakes appeared, each shimmering with a different hue. But disaster struck. The violet fog seeped into the kitchen. The wicked sorcerer Grumblegloom, jealous of the cupcakes' power, bewitched them into sticky, gooey blobs. Draco's scales bristled in dismay. To break the curse, Draco called on his newfound friends. Lady Asteria sprinkled stardust to light the room. The sapphire bees drizzled crystal clear honey. Spring Lizard exhaled a warm ember. The singing sprites chorused the whispering wood's lullaby. Zephyr flapped a magical wing beat. The perfect raindrop fell under a friendly shower. Slowly, each cupcake regained its fluffiness, radiance, and enchantment. Together they shouted, "Shared joy is true magic," and took their very first bites. With each cupcake eaten, a wish came true: peace for troubled hearts, joy for the lonely, creativity to inspire budding artists, confidence for the shy, courage to face fears, friendship eternal among all creatures. Draco realized the greatest magic of all is born from sharing and teamwork. Moral of the story: when curiosity, perseverance, and kindness unite, even the most impossible recipes can come to life, and the sweetest dreams can be baked into reality.